Wow, we. What's up, y'all? Domino 7 here. Okay. The wind is blowing. Okay. It was bad weather earlier. It was raining hard as a rock, y'all. Okay. If y'all watch my live stream, I was by my cousin Marvin's house. Well, my auntie, I was celebrating my cousin Marvin's birthday. Okay. So so anyway, y'all. Whew, this is breaking news right here. You know, watch Channel 4, watch Channel 6, Channel 8, Channel 12, 13, or whatever, or something like that. Okay. Yes, indeed, y'all. I'm just giving a giving a darn weather report. Okay. That's all I'm doing, y'all. Okay. Out here in this weather. Okay. All right. Okay. Wind is blowing and stuff like. Sorry about that, y'all. For some reason, I ain't got disconnect. Okay. Well, see, so like when I do YouTube live, I don't get to disconnect. Oh, her shutter is malfunctioning right there. Okay, because of this damn wind. You know. So I guess a certain part of this balcony I can't go to because my I guess this. Oh snap! I got it. All right, I'm a. Oh, what's poppin'? Okay, so I'm a back in a minute. Well, this wind is blowing hard, y'all. Yes, indeed, y'all. So as I was saying, ladies and gentlemen, you know. Oh, wow. I'll call my. Oh, the wind is blowing harder. You know. Okay. All right. Whoa. So anyway, y'all. Oh man, the wind is blowing. Yes, indeed. I don't know what else to say, y'all. I really don't know what else to say. All right, with this damn wind blowing and stuff like that, you know, blowing things out the way, in the way, here and there, tree branches that broke off and stuff like that, you know. Golly, this is super duper strong, you know, super wind, you know. All right. All right, y'all. So the wind's still blowing a little low, but it's gonna blow even harder, you know. All right. I'll call my partner Dwayne back when I finish doing my YouTube. But I'm gonna go to Instagram Live next. Okay. I'm gonna go to Instagram Live next. Okay. Yes, indeed, y'all. I mean, we had a fun time by my auntie house. During this bad weather, you know, that devil try to stop us, but guess what? That devil it didn't win. Like they say, don't let that devil win. You know, stay prayed up during stuff like this. You know, even during the sunshine. Okay. Even when the weather's calm, you know, stay prayed up, y'all. Okay. I don't. Oh, y'all saw that? Y'all saw that? Yeah. Her shutter just slammed. You know. All right. And this went. Oh, look at these trees right here. You see? Oh. See how it seems? Look like they're lingering. You know? Look like these trees is lingering. Oh, the squirrel's gonna have a fit. The squirrel's gonna have a fit. Yes, indeed. They're gonna have a fit. Okay. Yep. So that's all to it. Now.